Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network. How are you doing today? Let's see what we have back here today for us. A lot of you guys like us walking through the shop so you can see other things here. And what we have here is a 27-inch beautiful thick porcelain Nature's Remedy. Better than pills for the liver ills. I myself just like marijuana. Thank God it's been legalized. So if you're looking for an unusual brand, kind of funky because it's talking about stuff for your liver and just in beautiful shape, I think this is for you then.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.